that contains a massive pool of partly molten rock.
There is an area within the Earth's mantle, deep underneath where we live, that is molten. And it's causing a lot of heat to rise towards the surface, and that heat causes melting in the crust. And so we get large magma chambers.
From time to time, as the pressures build, the magma works its way to the surface and explodes.
There are 20 or 30 hotspots around the Earth's globe, such places as Hawaii and Iceland. These are long-lived zones of active volcanism.
The Hawaiian Islands, for example, were created one by one over the millennia by an underwater volcano. Though it appears as if the volcano had moved along the Earth's surface, in reality, the area of molten rock has remained relatively stationary. It is the Earth's crust which has moved. The same is true for the Yellowstone hotspot. Above its magma chamber, the North American plate is slowly sliding to the southwest, about an inch a year. With each new eruption, a caldera is formed and appears to be further to the north.
We find calderas all the way back into northern Nevada, and it's possible that there have been as many as 50 eruptions, just as big as some of the ones that have come out of Yellowstone.
With a history of multiple cataclysmic eruptions, Yellowstone is becoming the most studied supervolcano in the world, and its hundreds of yearly earthquakes, thousands of geysers, and massive magma chamber make it one of the most geologically active regions.
This thing is a breathing system, and it's a dynamic system. So I called it a living, breathing, shaking caldera.
At the heart of these super eruptions is thought to be a mantle plume, an upwelling of molten rock rising from deep within